Good morning, everyone. It's Marcy, and we are on day 8 of 12 Days of Digis 2020, a collaboration between Cara Brandon Creations and Dear Julie Julie. And for day 8, the digitals that we had to work with were these lovely cards and ephemera pieces from Cara Brandon. I apologize, the print on these is not wonderful. I actually used my originals, so had to really quickly print out some more. And then we were using these cards from Dear Julie Julie. And I'm not going to lie, day 8 thus far was probably the most difficult day for me to figure out what I wanted to do. So, what I've got is, first, I've got a bunch of paper clips. And I made these paper clips using these Dear Julie Julie cards. Cut stuff out. I did use my laminator to laminate the individual little pieces. And I've got that one. And this one. And I decided this one attaches from the top. This one attaches from the side like this. And this one can either be attached from the top or it can be turned to the side. Actually, it can be turned to the other side as well. So it can attach several different ways. So that's what I did first. And that kind of got me moving a little bit on this. So just these two are hidden paper clips. I almost forgot about the reverse side. I'm glad I said that about the hidden paper clips. And I used a little Cara Brandon embellishments on the other side. This one is just a wrapped paper clip. Just wrapped with a little piece of scrapbook paper. And then the eyelet at the bottom keeps the paper clip from moving. Or, I'm sorry, keeps the scrapbook paper from sliding up and down. And I don't remember where, this is not my idea. A long, long time ago, I saw someone do that, and it just kind of came back to me. But I have no idea where it was that I saw that. So that's the first thing. And then we've got this little thing. So let me pull stuff out. And this pocket is not attached yet. So I've got this pocket. This is Cara Brandon's image, and Dear Julie Julie's image. I just have a little bit of lace right there, a little bit of lace right there. And I attached the three by sewing around. So we have a pocket at the top for these two cards. Those are both Cara Brandon images. And as you'll see, everything in here that I made, the paper clips were probably the most difficult. Everything else is done very simply. And then we've got this Cara Brandon image where I just put a little book page on top of some scrapbook paper, put a little lace down at the bottom and sewed around it. And that can slide right in here. And we've got this Dear Julie Julie image, again, on a piece of scrapbook paper with another piece of scrapbook paper layered on top, and then Dear Julie Julie's image and a little bit of lace sewed around the whole thing. And that can slide right in there. And then a simple little tag. I actually put cheesecloth on the bottom Then a little piece of scrapbook paper. I tried to pick something that sort of matched the sky. And then this Cara Brandon image. And I just put a little lace topper on, held with a couple of staples. And that can go right in this pocket. So I seem to be doing quite a few stuffed pocket type things. Anyway, I don't have the pocket glued down yet, but that is how I would imagine it going. And that is everything that I made for day 8. Like I said, this one for some reason was difficult for me to get started with. Once I got going, it was fine, but I had a tough time getting started with this one. So anyway, until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.